8.5% of 1.2 kilograms. So 8.5%. So you can just write 8.5 if you like, 100 of mean time. Now because 1.2 kilograms, so if you write 1.2 is much harder. So what we can do, we can convert this 1.2 kilogram to grams. So which is convert by time by 1000. So you move 1, you cancel that. So 12 times 100, so which is 1200. So that become grams. So what we can do now, we just simplify this 0 with this and this with this. So the answer leave with 8.5 times 12. So which is 2 times 5. We ignore the decimal point first. So 2 times 5 is 10. Carry 1. 2 times 8 is 16. Add 1 is 17. Put a 0 down. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 8 is 8. We add them up. So give me 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. So is 2 plus 8 is 10. And we have one number after decimal point. So this is the answer. And that's all. So which is 102 grams. But we don't need to write 0. We just write 102 grams. 25% of an hour. So if you recognize this, 25% is a quarter. So it's just same as a quarter of an hour. So 1 hour. So first of all, we convert an hour into minutes first. So 1 hour in 60 minutes. So which is times by 60. So if you like, you can half of 60 is 30. Half again is 15. So 15 minutes. 6 1/5% of 1.5 meters. So again, 6 1/5. So you can write, if you think about it, 6 1/5. So 1/5, you can times this by 2 and 2. So it's 2/10. So 2/10 is 0.2. So 6.2%. So which is 6.2 over 100 times by, now again, 1.5 meters. So we better convert to centimeters first. So we times by 100, or convert to millimeters if you like. We just put them 1,000. So let's see. So it should use the right unit. So easier, that's all. So times by 1.5 times 1,000, you move 1. So give me 1,500. There you go. So it's millimeters. So now all we need to do is 1,500. We can just cancel with this 100 here. See, there you go. So that is 6.2 times 15 first. So we ignore decimal points. So treat that as 62 times 15. So 5 times 2 is 10. Carry 1. 5 times 6 is 30. Add 1 is 31. Put a 0 here. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 6 is 6. So if we add them up, give me 0, 3, 9. So the answer is 930. But do not forget, we have one number after decimal point. So just put a decimal point here. So which is 93. But don't forget, it's not meters, it's millimeters, because we already convert to millimeters. So 93 millimeters. 2 1/3% of 1.5 liters. Now 2 1/3%. So what we can do is 2 1/3%. It's just same as 2 1/3 over 100, which is 2 over 300 if you like. So that's what that meant. Okay. So which mean 2 over 300 times by, again, liters, you convert to milliliters by times by 1,000. So which is move 1. So 1,500 milliliters. So what I can do, I can cancel this 0 with this 2 here. 15 divided by 3, which is 5. So 5 times 2 is 10. So this is over 1. 10 over 1 is 10. So 10 milliliters. If you need to use calculator to work it out, let me just show you one first, so you know how to put in a calculator with mixed numeral and fractions and so on. I just tried this one for you. You still need to write it out, of course, So 6 1/5% of 1.5 meters. So you still need to convert that to millimeters. So by times by 1,000. So move 1 cancel 1. So 1,500. So you still need to write 6 1/5% mean per 100, and then of 1,500. Then don't forget millimeters. Yes. So all you need to do is you just put that in a calculator. So let's go fractions, shift fraction again. So all you need to just go 6, but of course you need to write it down as well. Okay. So just like that over 100. That's it. 6 1/5%. You times by 1,500. There you go. So it's equal to 93. So which is 93 millimeters. Same thing on this one here, 1/3%, but you still need to write down 1/3 over 100 times 1,500. So which is like this. So you go fractions and you do fraction one more time if needed. So you go like this, and percent mean per 100, and then you go times by 1,500. There you go. So which is 10 milliliters. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Now, please try without calculator first. So if needed, then you use it. Otherwise, try without calculator first. 3 1/4%. So 3 1/4% of 1 hectare. So which is, if you think about it, a quarter is 0.25, 3.25%. So which means 3.25 per 100% mean. Times by 1 hectare. So 1 hectare is 10,000 square meters. So you convert to meters, square meters by time by 10,000. So which is 10,000 square meters. So these 2 zeros I can cancel out. So that means 3.25 times 100. So which is, move 1, cancel this one out, move 1. So which is 325 square meters. 5% of a meter. So 5% means 5 over 100. And of a meter means you convert to centimeters, easier. So you times by 100. So which is 100 centimeters. So what you do, this 100, you cancel that out. So which is 5 centimeters. 4.5% of a minute. So which is 4.5 if you like. So 4.5% of 1 minute. 1 minute we convert to seconds, so which is times by 60. So this 0 we can cancel with that. So it treat that as 4.5 times 6 divided by 10. So 4.5 times 6 first. So treat that as 45 times 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. Put 3 on top. 6 times 4 is 24. So 27. And we have one number after decimal point. So we put a dot here. So that means 27 divided by 10. This 10 here. So which is cancel this. We move 1. So the answer is 2.7 second. Okay. So because we already convert this in minute into second. Now 12 2/3% of 12 kilograms. So first of all, to do this, so we can convert this into improper fraction first. So 12 times 3 is 36. Add 2 is 38. So 38 over 3. Percent mean per 100. So which mean instead of over 3, it's actually over 300. Of mean time. So time 12. So we can do this. So what we can do, we can simplify 12 just like 12 over 1. So 312 we both divide by 3. Give me 4 divided by 3. Give me 1. So that become 100. So what we can do is we just go 38 times 4 divided by 100. So 38 times by 4. So 4 times 8 is 32. So carry 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. Add 3 is 15. and then we divide by 100. So 1, 2, the decimal point right back here, 1, 2. So which is 1.52, and do not forget the unit, kilograms. Thank you so much for watching.